Welcome to Marrakech, Morocco's vibrant red city where ancient traditions meet modern energy. From colorful markets to stunning palaces, Marrakech is a feast for the senses. Let's explore the best of this magical destination. Start your adventure at Jemaa el-Fnaa, the heart of Marrakech. By day, it's a lively market filled with snake charmers and orange juice vendors. By night, it transforms into a food lover's paradise with sizzling grills and traditional dishes. Don't miss trying tagine or freshly squeezed orange juice, it's the best in the world. Next, visit the Koutoubia Mosque, Marrakech's most iconic landmark. While non-Muslims can't enter, the stunning architecture and peaceful gardens are worth the visit. The minaret is a masterpiece of Almohad design and a symbol of the city. Escape the hustle and bustle at the Majorelle Garden, a serene oasis created by French painter Jacques Majorelle. The vibrant blue accents and lush greenery make it a photographer's dream. Don't forget to visit the Berber Museum on site. Step into the opulent Bahia Palace, a 19th century masterpiece of Moroccan architecture. Wander through its stunning courtyards, admire the intricate tilework, and imagine life as a Moroccan noble. No trip to Marrakech is complete without exploring the Souks. These labyrinthine markets are filled with spices, textiles, pottery, and more. Haggle like a pro and take home a piece of Moroccan craftsmanship. Discover the Sadian tombs, a hidden gem from the 16th century. These beautifully decorated tombs were rediscovered in 1917 and are a testament to Morocco's rich history. Take a day trip to the Atlas Mountains for breathtaking landscapes and a glimpse of Berber culture. Hike through picturesque villages, enjoy a traditional meal, and soak in the natural beauty just outside the city. Marrakech is a food lover's dream. From savory tagines to sweet pastries like mazmen, every bite is a delight. Join a cooking class to learn the secrets of Moroccan cuisine and bring the flavors home with you. Marrakech is a city that will captivate your heart with its colors, flavors, and warmth. Which of these experiences are you adding to your itinerary? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel adventures. Shukran, and see you next time. And see you next.